Do you know you can know 10,000 English words but still sounds unnatural if your pronunciation is off? Today, I'll reveal simple secrets that native speakers use and you can too. Listen more than you speak. Native like pronunciation starts with listening. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes daily listening to a native speaker, podcast, movie, or news. And try to repeat immediately after them. Other thing that one must remember is mastering the 12 vowel sounds. Non-native speakers often mix vowel sounds. For example, ship and sheep, or we can say full and fool. Learn linking and connected speech. Native speakers don't say each word separately. I want to eat it can be said as I wanna eat it. Or going to can be said as gonna. Let me, let me. Let me means let me. Let me is not said. It is said as let me. Wanna, wanna. Wanna means want to. Stress and intonation matters more than accent. English, stress, timed language. I didn't say you stole the money. Meaning changes with the stress placement. If it is said as I didn't say you stole the money. I didn't say you stole the money. I didn't say you stole the money. So there is a different meaning when we say it with different stress placement. Practice by reading one sentence with different stress. Another thing that should be focused is drop the mother tongue influence. Record yourself and compare with the native pronunciation. Focus on problematic sounds in your language. Try to speak out the words and listen to the native speakers how they speak. Record your voice and listen to them. Next is the proper use of IPA. IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet, which helps us to see pronunciation in dictionaries. Practice tongue and mouth exercise. Exaggerate mouth movements for clarity. Try to use different kind of tongue twisters which will be helpful. For example, she shells by the seashore. Try to practice more tongue twisters. This will help in your mouth exercise and this will be very helpful in the movement of your mouth for clarity. So here we learn that the pronunciation is not copying an accent. It's about being understood clearly and confidently. Practice these secrets daily and your English will sound smoother than ever. Remember to like, share and subscribe to English Hub. Thank you.